guys! Today I'm making these little mini fridges for your dolls. As always, if you make this craft, please tag me on Instagram and I'll totally come check it out. And finally kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. Okay guys, so I just start here with cardstock. I glue 2 pieces together. Then draw lines, creating a box. I cut off the tabs, leaving me with a cross. I fold up my sides, and here you can see the measurements, just over 1 inch across and about 1.5 inches tall. And then my hinge will be a Q-tip, so I cut one side to the width of the Q-tip to accommodate it. Then glue into a box. And you'll want to hold your sides for maybe 20 seconds or so to make sure the glue really takes. I give that plenty of time to dry, and in the meantime I cut out a strip of red craft foam that's the same width, and I can begin gluing it around my box. And because I'm using tacky glue, I do have to hold it for about 20 seconds at each spot to make sure it attaches well. Just doing one side at a time. And when I get to my shorter side, I cut out that extra bit of craft foam and continue to glue. Then I trace a lid on my craft foam. And with this one, I trace and cut out a rectangle along the bottom. Add a shelf, which is just, again, 2 pieces of cardstock glued together. And I paint with this metallic red acrylic paint, which I thought looked really cool. And also just carefully doing the sides. And to make my handle, I'm just using hot glue on parchment paper. I give it about a minute to dry, shape, and paint with silver nail polish. And when my door is dry, I glue a piece of clear plastic along the back. And I forgot to show you this step, but I just used my hot glue gun, and I paint to cover up the hot glue. Next, I take the printable and I just combined some printables from other videos to make it easier. Apply tape, cut out and glue to my door. And for my hinge, again, it's a Q-tip with a toothpick, but the toothpick doesn't quite fit, so I file it down on all sides to narrow it. You want to make sure that your hinge will rotate smoothly. I glue on the top piece to the toothpick, then slide the next piece on and glue the bottom piece, making sure my middle piece will rotate. Then I glue the top and bottom pieces to my base. Again, confirming that it will twirl. And finally, I glue the door to that middle section. And for the handle, just using mirror paper and gluing my handle when dry. And for these little candy wrappers, I glue the side and bottom. And then to fill it, I'm just using a bit of hot glue that I've smashed down with parchment paper. glue shut. And to make an easy Coke bottle, I'm just using my bottles from my slime video, removing the slime, painting the inside with black acrylic paint, just coloring some paper black on both sides, which I can glue to the bottom and trim. I googled some Coca-Cola labels, print out, and wrap. And for this one here, obviously I didn't cut out the square along the front of the door, and I'm just using cardstock in the back and more cardstock to make a little shelf. And then here is a super easy little water bottle. This is just a wooden bead, and I use my multi-hole punch to punch out craft foam. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks guys!